Okay, today we'll be looking into how to make ginger and turmeric oils. The importance of this cannot be overemphasized. We can use it in our hair cream, in our soap making. We can use it for pain relief. So many things that this can be used for. You can see the right up there. Okay, and then today I will be teaching us step by step, very simple step by step, and it's not costly. Okay, once again, welcome to my channel. If you're returning subscribers, you are welcome, and if you are first timer, also you are welcome. I did not record the initial stage, that's why I put this. The ginger and the garlic and the turmeric, we wash them thoroughly and grate them, and here it is. You can use different kind of oil to extract the oil out. I'm using coconut oil. You can use sunflower. You can use argan oil. I'm using coconut oil, and you can see it on the fire. The oil is already being formed. Can you see? And so what is the next thing? You bring it down from the fire. It's so simple. And then strain the oil from it. And lo and behold, your oil is ready. Your turmeric ginger oil is ready. You can begin to pack for sale, and you can also use a tool. Have you subscribed? If you have watched this instead and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, and so that you can keep getting very productive and educative videos like this. Okay, please do like it, share it, and then let me meet you at the comment section. Let me hear you talk. I will see you when I post another video. Don't forget to join my free online classes. If you are interested, it's free. You can be there. Okay, so you strain it and squeeze as much as possible. Get all the oil out. Okay, and this oil, I'll be using it to produce balm in my next video. I'll be releasing that one very soon too. Please stay tuned. Bye.